Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Meet add-ons, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Google Meet add-ons. Press the Enter key to see the search results. Browse through the available add-ons. When you find an add-on that interests you, click on it to view more details. Read the description to understand its features and benefits. Look for the Install button on the add-on page. Click the Install button to start the subscription process. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials if required. After signing in, review the permissions that the add-on requests. If you agree, click the Allow button to grant permissions. Once installed, the add-on will appear within your Google Meet interface. To access the add-on, open Google Meet and schedule a new meeting. In the meeting setup, look for the add-ons icon. Click on the icon to see the list of installed add-ons. Select the add-on you want to use during your meeting. Follow any additional setup prompts within the add-on to maximize its features. You can now enjoy the added functionalities during your Google Meet sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.